So this is the finished look.
Yeah.
Weezy out here.
I'm Tajay, and I'm back with another video. And you can already tell what I'm about to do. So I want to show you how I do on my makeup. So I haven't been doing makeup for that long. I started February for Valentine's Day because I didn't have nobody to do my makeup. So I figured I may as well go buy my own stuff and try to just figure out how to do my makeup because I had no choice. So I already did my eyebrows and I'm gonna show you how to do. So I'm not a professional, but I'm still learning. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. So moisturize my face with this Nivea. My face feeling moisturized all day. No, I should have put it on before I did my eyebrows, but show you how I do the rest of my face. And I'm gonna come back with another eyebrow tutorial. I don't know why I bought 2 angle brushes. Just do my concealer. I don't need that much because I use way too much color. This corrected so much. I got my concealer down pat. Now I'm gonna go with my foundation. So I'm gonna go with this brush. I should have known. I should have known.
You bad as fuck. You bad as fuck. You know one video you can't do?
What?
Put makeup on my girlfriend.
I bet I'll do it one day. How much
Great
you wanna
life.
bet?
Huh?
How much you wanna bet I'll do it one day?
Nay. Girl, where you been shopping at?
What's that?
How to act?
Oh, I got that from Brooks.
What is this on my finger?
Stop it, don't it? Halt. Halt.
No cap. What I look like? Court.
You got some crust right there in that piece of your eye.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
You felt that crust? You felt that crust?
No. I scratched my eyeball. Give us a little bit of that water.
You had to do all of that.
I'm sorry. So this is the finished look. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.